Update 1 on Tropical Storm Beta. Beta is located at 27.60 north, negative 93.60 west as of 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, this 20 September 2020. Beta has winds of 60 miles per hour, a wind speed that the storm has been holding on to for a while now, and a pressure of 996 millibars. The storm is moving west-northwest with a TCDR rating 5. Minor damage expected. Distance in miles right now: 138 miles away from Galveston, 163 from Matagorda, 183 from Lake Charles, 184 from Houston, and 339 from Shreveport. There is a tropical storm watch from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas, Texas, and there is a storm surge warning from Port Aransas, Texas to Rockefeller Wildlife Refuge, Louisiana, including Copano Bay, Aransas Bay, San Antonio Bay, Matagorda Bay, Galveston Bay, Sabine Lake, and Lake Calcasieu. There is a tropical storm warning from Port Aransas, Texas to Morgan City, Louisiana. In 24 hours, the storm will be just off the coast of Texas. In 48 hours, the storm will be inland in Texas. In 72 hours, the storm will weaken to a tropical depression and will be near Houston. And then the storm will turn post-tropical as it heads into Louisiana and Mississippi. That's all I have for Tropical Storm Beta. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.